Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable TPM 2.0 and secure boot Windows 11. So first you have to go to your start menu and then look for system information. Tap this one right here. If you scroll down here and then tap the secure boot state, you see that it's currently off. So how are we going to enable this one or turn this one on? So what you're going to do is you have to look for settings. Okay, open your settings here, and then after that, you have to look for Windows Update. Now, under Windows Update, you should see a recovery or advanced option right here. But if you can't see that one, if you can't see advanced option, or if you can't see that recovery under advanced option, you can just go directly to start menu and then type recovery and it will pop up. Here, what you're going to do is you have to click this restart now under advanced setup, tap this one. And I'm currently using my phone. I'm currently recording my PC here. So as you can see, it's now restarting. So I have to restart it. Now click troubleshoot here and then tap advanced options. And then here you have to click this firmware settings, tap this one, and then click restart again. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now once open, you go to security and then here you see the secure boot, tap this one and then click this disable button right here, tap this and then switch this disable to enable. So tap this one again or double click and then click enable. After that, don't forget to click save and exit and open your laptop or computer again and see if it enabled your secure boot. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.